Hi guys, y'all welcome to another Chronicle. So on today I'm going to talk about packaging matters. If you are a business owner, you're trying to start a product line, or you're just researching. So product and packaging matters. So I'm gonna tell y'all a tidbit. So yesterday, I went in Roses because I had to get some few things. I love Roses. I love, they have like a variety of stuff. If you're not familiar with Roses, they have like household supplies. They have like paintings. They have bath and body stuff. They have like undergarments, sleep garments, things like that, and a lot of other things, seasonal stuff for your home, outdoor stuff, appliances, kitchenware, homeware, bathroom stuff like that. So it's like a little mini Walmart, if you will. So I went in Roses and got a few things like for myself. So as I was shopping, I was like, I love going to like the beauty aisle. I love going to the beauty aisle of any store I go in. If they have like a beauty aisle, just to kind of see the packaging and things like that. Because I'm in the beauty business. I have my own lipstick, liquid matte line. So I kind of like going in there and buying stuff. So what propelled me to buy things is packaging, seeing like the way it looks, the product itself, and also how good the product is. So it's two things: how good the product is, and also the packaging. That propels me to buy something. So when I was like in the beauty aisle of Roses, which I'm gonna do like another video on something else that I purchased. I'll do like another video on that, to showing you like what I purchased from there off out the beauty aisle. So there's one thing that kind of like struck my attention a little bit that I looked at, because I had, like I said, I have a lipstick and liquid matte lip shine line. So when I was in the beauty aisle, so I happened to see this. Now it came like in a different box. See how this says? So the box itself, which I left the box at home. So the box itself is it stood out, like the packaging of it and all. This is baby fat. This is baby fat. Anybody know who this is? Like if you like grew up like in the 80s, you like a 80s babies, you will know about baby fat. That was is that I forgot the lady name that was it Russell Simmons or something like that? I could be getting that mixed up or whatever. So Kamara Lee Simmons. She is the owner of Baby Fat. She was like a model back in the day. You can look her up. She have twin daughters like in the fashion beauty world. So I used to love some Baby Fat. That used to be my brand. I used to have like the Baby Fat shoes. I used to have like the jacket, the shirt. No, that was like my brand. I love her. I watched like a lot of her content. And I think they had like a reality show. So but the box itself, like if you was to go on Roses, you'll see what I'm talking about with the box. So this what came in it. So this what struck me to buy. I said, oh, I'm gonna get this because I like the packaging, I like the brand itself, and I know the product is pretty decent, because she does have quality. Kamara Lee Simmons, she does have quality products. So that would persuade me to buy. And the price matters. So this was just only $1. That's it. I only paid $1 for this. It was like a sale going on. So it's the same thing. I'm looking at it, and it's brushed on, so that matters. So whenever you got to think about stuff like that, whenever you're about to do a product or anything like that, you have to think about the appearance of it, the ingredients, what market you catering to, all that. Then now, with the economy being the way it is, you want to think about your price. You know what I'm saying? You want to make your stuff affordable and good at the same time. So that what led me to get the packaging. So as I compare it to my brand, this is mine. It's kind of similar when I look at it. It's similar in the sense because mine is like hers is a twist on top. Mine is as well, twist on top, and it's brushed on. This is my liquid matte, by the way, from my brand and Styles for Me, Lip Stay Poppin', A&A Beauty Supplies LLC. So I just kind of put that on top to kind of show you. My products already have this liquid matte, not dry matte, so it already have moisturizing agents in it. It leaves it look, it makes your look like it's shining, and also it's moisturized, and also it looks wet. It's like a wet look, not so much of that dry matte look. So that's why I just kind of put this under the bottom, and it's at top. So when I compare the packaging, it's kind of similar. The only difference is it's the shape. Like this is more like a rectangle like, and then it's like this, I want to say, kind of bigger, bulkier, and mine is more like slimmer when you compare it. Same idea, glass bottle, and then the writing is on. Like you see my writing, and then you can barely, if you can see close, it got like the baby fat on it. And I'm kind of bringing that closer in. So it's kind of similar. So whenever, and we have like the little tags at the bottom. So whenever you think about starting a line, it's best to kind of go into the store. Say if you're trying to do a makeup line, lipstick line, you want to like go into like the beauty supplies area and just kind of see how you want your packaging to be, so that's what I look at whenever I think about doing my product. So it's very similar. And what I'm saying, it's because you're trying to get your stuff sold, so you're competing against other brands, so you kind of want to make sure that your products stand out. That will get people to buy. That's going to catch people's eye. Now, I didn't get this from Roses, but I got this from Dollar Tree, and this right here like sold out really quickly. I had got 2 of them, and I don't even see it in Dollar Tree anymore. So this is like a spray-on sanitizer. Okay, so the reason I got this is because the packaging. It's the packaging. I'm not even gonna lie, it's cute. It's something I can just kind of slide into my pocket if I want to, my purse, my clutch, my work bag, whatever. I leave this like in my office desk. So something like this here, I got it because of the packaging. It's real stylish looking. Like I was saying, you want to get things, stuff will sell out quickly based off the appearance. A lot of time people go for the looks of they, and then the price as well. This was only $1. Dollar Tree stuff like $1.25, something like that. So that's there. So you get things. So that's how I shop. I usually go by and look at the appearance and the cost and the quality. So to give you a tip, if you're trying to break into the industry, anything you're trying to sell, anything you're trying to create a product, think of brainstorm how you want your product to look. Brainstorm, like compare it with other packaging to see, compare, contrast, and put your spin to it, put your twist to it, whatever, and you let the product sell itself. That's one tip. You want to make sure your product it appeals, it represent you, its quality. And if you was to put it beside another product, another brand, will they get that same attention the other brand would get? You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is. So I'm looking to go in stores. That's my goal, is to go into stores one day. But that's the type of stuff you want to kind of look at whenever you're starting any type of business or line or anything like that. So that's my tidbit. So Blogging with April Chronicles, for more healthy lifestyle tips or helpful tips or anything, whether it's lifestyle, spirituality, just everyday living, things like that. Y'all go check out my tips at April Blog down online. Also YouTube, Blogging with April. I'm on TikTok, Blogging with April. Here on Facebook, April Hainsworth. So y'all check me out. And if you want to feature any of your products, or you want to talk about it, promote it, you can email me at bloggingwithapril@aprilblog.online, because I do promotions, I do product reviews. I have advertised for hair companies, skincare companies, and things like that. So if you want to help promote your products, you can hit me up as well. If you want to tell a personal story, you want to promote your business, you can hit me up as well at bloggingwithapril@aprilblog.online, or you can DM me So guys, have a wonderful day. And if you are, like, again, stay encouraged. If you in the research stage, early stage of trying to start anything, do your research is key. Research, research, research. Okay, guys, talk to you soon. Blogging with April.